Hello, students. Mrs. Smith here. Wanted to talk to you about today's ELA assignment. For the last 2 days, we've had you collecting information on the 5 topics, and today is a rehearsing day over here on the left. And what that's going to help you do is complete a graphic organizer that's really getting close to the opinion writing essay we want you to do. We'll talk about that in a minute. So come over here to the upper left. You'll see rehearsing aloud and find someone in the house. If you have no one to speak to, perhaps you could speak on a device or to a wall or to a pet. But this is important because it helps you really see this little hand, one by one, identify your reasons for the opinion that you are supporting. You're in favor, you're against one of those. And this will really help you. One of the topics we gave you in this process will help you really clear that up. All right, then you're going to go beyond just the 3 reasons and perhaps the details that you wrote down yesterday in the document or other details from Monday. So from all this collection, what can you back up your 3 reasons with an example, perhaps a quote, a story, and that's what these little icons here, one time, and the little quotes, for example, comma. Okay. Oh, where am I going? So get back there. So while you're rehearsing aloud, come on down here and see where you can use some of these genre being opinion writing, specific words in your rehearsal. So perhaps you're going to start off with I believe, or from our work yesterday, maybe you want to start with I am in favor, or I'm strongly in favor, I am confident, from my point of view. Okay, these can go right up in front or somewhere throughout your writing. And then different transition means moving things along. So you got the first, second, third. I use that. By the way, I did do this assignment. I used a lot of first, second, third, for example, for instance, in fact, according to. Okay, and then you had this one time. All right. Okay, so once rehearsal's done, you're going to go to that document from yesterday, so go to the second slide, and you'll see this. I would like you to type in a sentence for your intro and sentence down here, conclusion, where you have the longer rectangles. And here's a tip. I usually do the intro and conclusion first, being that the conclusion is very close to the introduction. You can type that in there. And when you come up here to your reasons, you probably just have enough space to just list them. I don't know that you could do the full sentence. Go ahead and try if you want. And then your explanation, your detail, your evidence, your story, your quote goes over on this side. Okay? Now, if you want to stay tuned for part 2 of this video, I'll show you all the work I did on this assignment, and I am going to read I finished with this assignment right here on the right, and I'm going to present that to Mr. Smith because it has something to do with improving our lives here at home now that we're stuck in the home together. All right, guys. Thank you for your work, and we'll check in with your work through your documents and help you out. If you want to contact us, do that through email.